Vienna, where empires were built, where Mozart composed, where every street still hums with music, and you're stuck in a tour group checking your watch. Overpriced bus tours, 30 minutes at Schönbrunn, a rushed photo at the Opera House, and a guide reading from a script that skips everything interesting. Uvamai's Vienna self-guided audio tour hands you the city's most iconic landmarks, with expert narration revealing the imperial intrigue, the musical legacy, and the stories behind every palace wall. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you, professional audio guides, and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no rushing, Vienna at your own pace for up to 6 days. Stand before Schönbrunn Palace and hear how the Habsburgs ruled an empire from these very halls. Walk into St. Stephen's Cathedral and discover the secrets carved into its tiled roof. Step inside the Hofburg and feel 6 centuries of imperial power. Hear why the Vienna State Opera became the soul of European music. Wander past Belvedere Palace, Karlskirche, and the colorful chaos of the Naschmarkt. Vienna's story, finally told in full. Travelers across 111 cities worldwide choose Uvamai because they want to feel Vienna's grandeur, not just photograph it. Real stories, real freedom, real discovery. $6. Vienna's greatest imperial landmarks. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.